Ever wondered why your stomach makes that loud grrr sound when you're hungry? Here's the truth. Your food doesn't just move randomly inside you. It moves through pressure contractions like a push and pull system, and the sound comes from your stomach and intestines moving. Your body makes this sound 24 hours a day, yes, even when you're sleeping. But when you have food in your stomach, the sound gets muffled. Because food blocks the noise, so you don't hear it. Now when your stomach is empty, there's only air and liquid inside. So when your stomach contracts, the sound becomes super loud. Sometimes it gets so loud you don't even know if the sound came from your stomach or from your neighbor.